Welcome back. Well, the markets, it's a bazooka start actually for the December series. 300 points in the Nifty, 700 points on the Nifty Bank. But that's not the story. The story is in the broader markets. Advancing stocks, 3:1. Nimesh joins us to help us out with what he's picking up. Nimesh, after a while, the breadth of the market is looking good. It's at least feeling like Christmas as well as, portfolios are feeling better.
Well, Nigel, I think it's too early to call a Christmas rally, honestly. So there were initial signs of some bit of uptake in the broader markets, which I highlighted yesterday as well. And today it's followed up. But again, I guess it's a early start. I don't think we can call it as a trend as we speak. But yeah, it's a good relief, and it's just come as a bit of a surprise to most of the traders and investors. Nobody thought of a 300-point rally on day one of the new series. The index is up almost 1%. I guess the big directional move seems to be in the financials, and that's the space which is relatively outperforming on a daily basis. Whether it's NBFCs, private banks, or PSU banks, that's one space which is outperforming, and it's backed by institutional flows as well. So that's clearly standing out. I guess from a technical point of view, we are about that level, but on a closing basis, 26,120 is a level to watch. If that gets taken out, which looks like it will be a day today, you might see further short covering rally because even at the start of the new series, the FIs are net short almost 85% on the option side. So that's something to watch out for. I guess with today's move, the P share is now back to the upper end of the channel of 1.5, 1.4 at 1.5. Typically around 1.6, we see profit booking as well. So keep that in mind. But as I said, this is just a trailer. I would say don't read too much into it. And of course, there is still no clarity on when the US deal will happen or if indeed it will happen in the very near future. About the broader markets, Nigel, again, to me, it looks like more of a technical pullback. All the stocks were extremely oversold, and there is really no participation. Even in today's pullback, if you ask anybody, have they bought anything, the answer is no. It's just a relief rally, and people are happy that, okay, my stocks have come up a bit, but not that there is big momentum or a chase from retail or HNI investors in the broader markets as well.
Okay, all right. Got that point. And maybe it's at times like this, when there is not too much participation, even on the upside, suddenly there's a left-out feeling, which could result in an additional fill-up upwards as well. Let's see how that plays out. But individual stocks, what are you picking up?
Okay, so in terms of individual names, the first on my list is Angel One. That's been buzzing in trade today, but there is a strong indication in the market that maybe you'll see a large block in Angel One very soon. So that's the trigger there. So that's something to track. The second stock is VIP Industries. This is interesting. The stock has recovered in today's market of 4-5%, but it's still trading below the open of a price of 388, and it has seen a one-way correction for all the high from 450, 460, all the way to 350 in yesterday's trading session. A bit of a pullback in today's market, but I understand even in VIP Industries there could be some corporate development. A potential 6-7% block, I guess, is still pending, and that may happen very soon. So that's the trigger there. The third couple of stocks, basically OMCs are seeing a bit of a buying interest today. After what we saw yesterday, a bit of shorting on a brokerage downgrade, some bit of small buy flows as well as covering as well in HPCL as well as in IOC in today's market. And the last is Ashok Leyland. Against the trend, while the stock has seen a bit of momentum of late, there is aggressive selling from a larger FI in Ashok Leyland today. So the volumes would be on the higher side and maybe on the sell side. So watch out for the delivery volumes towards the end in Ashok Leyland as well.
Nimesh, on VIP, right? Corporate development soon, right?
So, Prashant, as I said, there is a strong indication that maybe there is one more block left where the promoted entities will sell, and the funds who bought, including multiples and couple of HNIs who participated and who have done an open offer as well. So they may buy as. That's the buzz as far as VIP is concerned. Also, the fact that this was a kind of a kitchen sinking quarter for VIP. From here on, how the numbers pan out and whether they appoint a new CEO, that is something to track as far as VIP is concerned going forward.
Yeah, no, absolutely. It's an interesting one. So Angel, VIP, the oil marketing companies, and Ashok Leyland are the 5 stocks on Nimesh's chatter list. 65 points away from a new all-time high. Time for our